Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to create TCS tags in Tally Prime. So regarding this, today we will discuss, okay? So first, we have to create TCS nature of goods and party ledger, TCS tax ledger, sales ledger and stock items. So regarding this today we will discuss, okay friends. So for your reference please note down these notes, okay. Tax collected at source. So what is the meaning of tax collected at source? Tax collected at source is the tax payable by a seller which he collects from the buyer at the time of sale. Section 206C of the Income Tax Act governs the goods on which the seller has to collect tax from the purchasers. Goods covered under TCS provisions and rates applicable to them. When the below mentioned goods are utilized for the purpose of manufacturing process or producing things, the taxes are not payable. If the same goods are utilized for trading purpose, then it is a payable. The tax payable is collected by the seller at the point of sale. The rate of TCS different for goods specified under different categories. So type of goods. So this is the TCS nature of goods. Liquor for your reference I noted some type of TCS nature of goods. So liquor, first one, liquor or alcoholic nature made for consumption by human. So tax rate is 1%. So timberwood under a forest leased 2.5%. Tendo leaves 5%. Timberwood by any other mode than forest leased 2.5%. A forest produce other than tendo leaves and timber 2.5%. Scrap 1%. Minerals like lignite, coal and iron ore 1%. So bullion that exceeds over 2 lakh rupees, jewelries that exceeds over 5 lakhs, that is 1%. Purchase of motor vehicle exceeding rupees 10 lakh, that is 1%. Okay. So classification of sellers and buyers for TCS. There are some specific people or organizations who have been classified as sellers for tax collected at source. No other seller of goods can collect tax at source from the buyers apart from the following list. So these are the persons who are seller: central government, state government, local authority, statutory corporation or authority, company registered under Companies Act, partnership firms, cooperative society, any person of HUF. HUF means Hindu Undivided Family, who is subjected to an audit of accounts under Income Tax Act for a particular financial year. Similarly, only a few buyers are liable to pay the tax at source to the sellers. Who are buyers? Public sector companies, central government, state government, embassy of High Commission, consulate and other trade representation of a foreign nation, clubs such as sports clubs and social clubs. So these are the person or buyers. TCS exemption. Tax collection at source is exempted in the following cases: when the eligible goods are used for personal consumption. Suppose whatever the product you buying from the seller, if it is for personal consumption, then it will be exempted from the tax. Next one, the purchaser buys the goods for manufacturing, processing or production and not for the purpose of trading of those goods. Suppose any goods you purchase for retrade, then only it is a taxable. Okay. List of TCS nature of goods, sections and codes. Friends, for your reference, I listed this TCS type of nature of goods, sections and codes. So liquor of alcoholic nature made for consumption by human. So section is same to all the nature of goods, but payment code is different. So liquor of alcoholic nature made for consumption by humans, section 206C, code 6CA. Timber wood under a forest leased, 6CB. Tendo leaves, 6C high. So timber wood by any other more than forest leased, 6CB. A forest produce other than tendo leaves and timbers, 6CB, that is also same. Scrap, 6CA. Minerals like lignite, coal and iron ore, 6CI. Bullion that exceed over rupees 2 lakhs. Jewelries that exceeds over rupees 5 lakhs, that is 6CK. Purchase of motor vehicle exceeding rupees 10 lakh, 6CJ. Parking lot, toll plaza and mining and quarrying, 6CG. So these are the important section and code of the TCS nature of goods. So transaction on TCS tax. Okay. So the following material sold to United Spirit Limited, TCS tax at 1%, invoice number 6497. Stock item liquors, quantity 2500 boxes, 6000 per boxes. So this is a transaction for TCS tax. So like this I prepared 4 example transaction. Okay. So before seeing this transaction, so we need to create ledger accounts for this related transaction. Okay. So 4 examples. So this is the ledger accounts for your reference. So first you have to create TCS nature of goods. So before creating this, go to tally. So create one company. So I have already created. First enable TCS tax. Press F11. Here third option, enable tax collected at source. Enable tax collected at source, TCS, set to yes. CAN registration number. Tax deduction and collection account number. Company, collector branch division, Jayanagar. Set alter details of person responsible, set to yes. So type the responsible person name. For example, CEO name. For example, Ravi Raju SD. Son or daughter of T.K. Durge Gowda. Designation CEO. CAN. Area location Jayanagar, Bangalore. STD code 080. Ignore IT exam limit, no. Accept. Okay. So select create, press enter. Here select go to statutory master, select TCS nature of goods. So type one by one. So I given here example. So note down this example. So first one, liquor for alcoholic nature for human consumption. Liquor for alcoholic nature for human consumption. Section 206C. So code 6CA. So percentage 1%. Without PAN, this is very important. Suppose you are not provided PAN details, it will be double. Suppose here this is 1%. Okay. Suppose you are not provided PAN details, it will be double, that means 2%. Type 2. Threshold exemption limited, here ignore that, accept. So next nature. I have created here 4 TCS nature of goods. Mining and quarrying. Two not 6C, 6CG, so percentage 2%, without PAN it is 4%, threshold exemption limit, ignore it, accept. So next third one, scraps. 206C, 6C. So percentage is 1%. Without PAN 2%. Accept. So next, tendo leaves. You know what is the meaning of tendo leaves? That is BD leaves. Smoking of BD leaves. 206C, 5%. Sorry, leave it that payment code. Section 206. So payment code is 6CI with PAN 5%, without PAN 10%, double. Okay, so TCS nature of goods is over. So next move, go to the accounting master, select ledger, press enter. So create one by one party ledger accounts. All parties comes under the group sundry debtors. Okay, Lakshmi Steel Companies. Under sundry debtors. Is TCS applicable? Set to yes. So select company resident in the list of collective types. Use advanced configuration for TCS. Set to yes. Friends, suppose you are not getting this option when you are going to creating a ledger account, you have to press F12. So come to TCS details. allow advanced entries in TCS master. Allow advanced entries in TCS master, set to yes. Before it is showing no, now you set to yes or type to yes. So here select yes. So ignore surcharge exemption limit, no. So here ignore income tax exemption limit, not applicable. Select not applicable. Set alter zero lower rate for collection, set to no. This is only for SEZ, especially economic zone. Only for those people you have to set yes, otherwise set to no, accept. So type PAN number. Suppose if you are not type PAN number, it will calculate double amount. Suppose if it is 1%, it will be calculated 2%. So provide the PAN details. Accept. So next party, Murudhar Metal and Alloys. Under sundry debtors, is TCS applicable, set to yes. Select company resident. Advanced configuration, set to yes. So not applicable. This one, yeah. Ignore income tax exemption limit, not applicable. No. So provide PAN details. Provide PAN detail, yes. So next third one, Patna Tobacco Supply Company Limited. Under sundry debtors, is TCS applicable? Yes. Select company resident. Set alter advanced configuration, yes. No. Select not applicable, accept. Friends, don't provide PAN details for this buyer, because we have to check in the report whether it will calculate double or single. Okay, so don't provide PAN details to this buyer, accept it. So last one, United Spirit Limited. United Spirit Limited. Under sundry debtors, set to yes. Here select company resident, set to yes, not applicable. So provide PAN detail. Okay friends, party ledger is over. Creation of sales ledger account. Here I am taking 4 types of TCS nature of goods. So that's why you have to create sales account in the 4 types of TCS nature of goods. Okay. Liquors, tender leaves, mining, scraps. You have to create sales account for each items. Sales account. Within bracket write liquors. This is for identification. Under sales account, not applicable. Is TCS applicable? Applicable. Nature of goods, Liquors for alcoholic nature for human consumption. Select the TCS nature of goods. So accept. So next one, sales account, Tendo leaves. Tendo leaves. Under sales account, is TCS applicable? Applicable. Select TCS nature of goods, Tendo leaves. So next one, sales account, mining. Under sales account, is TCS applicable? Applicable. TCS nature of goods, mining and quarrying. So last one, scraps, sales account. Under sales account, is TCS applicable? Yes, applicable. Select scraps. Accept. Okay. So next step is creation of TCS tax ledger. First, TCS tax at 1% on liquors. TCS tax at 1% on liquors. Under duties and taxes. Type of duties / tax, select TCS. Select nature of goods, liquor for alcoholic nature for human consumption, accept. So next one, TCS tax at 5% on Tendo leaves. TCS tax at 5% on Tendo leaves. Under duties and taxes, type of duties / tax, select TCS. Nature of goods, Tendo leaves. Select Tendo leaves, accept. Third one, TCS tax at 2% on mining. Under duties and taxes, select TCS. Select nature of goods, mining and quarrying, accept. Scrap, TCS tax at 1% on scraps. Under duties and taxes, type of duties / tax, select TCS. So nature of goods, select scrap. Okay friend, so tax ledger is over. Next we move to creation of stock items. So go to the inventory master, select stock item. So before going to stock item, you need to create units. So go to units. So creation of units. So these are the units comes in our transaction. Boxes. Select unit. Type boxes. BXS symbol. Formal name boxes. Accept. Next one, packet. So packet full form. So next one, tons, TNS abbreviation. Accept. So next one, kgs, kilograms. Okay. Next move to creation of stock item, liquors. Select stock item, type liquors. Under primary, unit boxes. See friend, sometimes it won't appear is TCS applicable. So then you do one thing, press F12. So come to the TCS details, set TCS details, yes, okay, accept. So here select applicable. So nature of goods, this is liquor. Liquor for alcoholic, nature for human consumption. So next one, Tendo leaves. Tendo leaves under primary packet. This one applicable. Select Tendo leaves, accept. So next one, iron ore. Iron ore under primary, this is tons, applicable. Select mining and quarrying. So last one, scraps item. Scraps items. Select kgs, applicable. Select scraps, accept. Okay friends, so like this you have to create TCS nature of goods, party ledger, TCS tax ledger, sales ledgers, stock items and units. Okay friends, so in my next video, how to enter TCS transaction in Tally Prime. So regarding this we will discuss in my next video. Okay, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.